Setting up a tent looks easiest till you standing in the middle of the wilderness, wrestling with a pile of fabric and poles that suddenly feel like they mocking you. But here's the truth. Anyone can master tent setup. You just need patience, a little strategy, and maybe a deep breath or two. Let's make this simple and way more fun. First things first. Location. Your tent deserves a good home for the night. Skip the rocky spots. Avoid dips in the ground unless you enjoy sleeping in rainwater. Look up, no dead branches ready to fall. Look down, no roots waiting to jab your spine. Flat ground is happiness. Shade is a bonus. Privacy is perfection. Once you've found your spot, spread out your gear like you're about to perform surgery on nature itself. Tent body here, poles there, stakes ready. That weird little hook thing. Yeah, keep that close, you'll probably need it. Organizing now saves chaos later. Camping rule number 1. Never start assembling in confusion. That's how tents end up looking like lawn art. Time to assemble. Slide the poles through the sleeves or clip them in whatever your tent demands. If the poles fight back, don't panic. They always do. Tent poles are like wild spaghetti noodles, bindi, stubborn, and always trying to slap you in the face. Stay calm. One end in the grommet, then the other. Suddenly, boom, it starts looking like a tent. Magic. Now raise it up. This is the moment of truth. The tent stands, or collapses dramatically while everyone watches. If it falls, laugh, then try again. Camping isn't a fashion show, it's controlled chaos. Use teamwork. One person lifts, the other locks in poles. Before you know it, your shelter is standing proud, basically applauding you with flapping fabric. But hold up, you're not done. Stakes, tied, footprint, if you've got one. Lock that thing into the earth, like you're preparing for a hurricane even if the forecast says sunny. Nature loves surprises. Loose tents love flying. Trust me, you don't want to wake up at 3 a.m. rolling down a hill inside your runaway tent burrito. Inside, keep it clean. Shoes off at the door. Use a small rug if you have one. It feels weirdly luxurious. Organize your stuff so you're not crawling over backpacks at midnight. Make it cozy, it's your tiny kingdom for the night. And here's the secret. Tent setup, dose and tea have to be stress-it part of the adventure. The laughs, the teamwork, the little mistakes, you'll remember those more than the sleep. So take your time, enjoy it, and own the process. Because once your tent is standing under those stars, you'll feel you're not just camping, you're living